Hello everyone, my name is Tony Trades and I document my trading journey online. It's been a while since I posted, but that's due to the fact that I've been busy with work and my business and also my academics, so I don't really have time to post. Most of this time I'll make a video, but I won't be able to upload because I didn't shoot the video to the end, or I'm unable to like edit, or I don't have time. But I'm fully back. I think it's high time I continue with my YouTube and my social media. So I'm now active on my Telegram, and I just dropped few banger trades this week, which I'm going to be going through on my PC. And the link is just going to be here. I'll put it down here so you can join with the link in the description. And yeah, we are back, and this series, now I want to start a fresh series from this July. And what I'm going to do is that we'll try to make $5,000 from profit. We'll try to make $5,000 from profit before the end of this year. I haven't gotten any payout this year, and I've gone through a lot this year in terms of like slippage, manipulation from profit and all that. Even a losing streak. I've gone through two series of losing streak, and they were unhealthy. So, and I also had wins, but the losing streak really affected me a lot. But I'm back stronger. I've reset. I'm now prepared, and I think we have a great start this week. Today is Friday. I'm recording this video after the market close, but we'll just quickly go through all my trades for this week, and I'll show you what I was seeing during that period. And also, I think from next week, the way I'll be making the video, I'll be making the video in real time, so that you guys will be able to see my thought process at the exact time I'm taking the trade and all that. So guys, let's quickly get into it. So guys, we're on the chart, and so you guys know I'm a swing trader. That's the first thing. If you guys don't know me, you know that I'm a swing trader now. I became a swing trader since the beginning of this year, around February, and I haven't looked back since then because it has been fantastic. So guys, this trade, I'm currently on this trade. I'm holding it through the weekend. Market is closed, but looking good. Let me quickly go through all the trades I took this week, and there are some trades I took by mistake. This is the account I'm trading. I'm trading a 10k Quantacure account, and I'll be authentic with you guys. I've lost about three different 10k accounts, some because of poor risk management. This one I couldn't pass because of consistency rule. That thing is a killer in disguise. You see that consistency rule stuff, that's a killer in disguise, because tell me how I'll actually reach the profit target. I'll reach the profit target, but I won't be able to pass because of what? Because of consistency rule. And I didn't pay attention to the profit. I didn't know that they have consistency rule. So this time around, I decided to get the one without consistency rule because me, I don't like stress. These are the accounts, and um we are currently in this one. Let's see how it goes. I'm currently up 4%. That's great. My first week I'm up 4%, and still have a trade running. And you can see my equity is 4.6%, which is actually fantastic. We have completed the 4 trading days, 4 minimum trading days, as you can see. Four profitable, I think 4 trading days, but 3 profitable days and all that. So let's see 50% win rate. This is not actually accurate, but because of all these small losses I took here. If you look here, you see 10 losses here. Some of them are by mistake. Um so let me just quickly hop on the chart to show you. First trade I took was on US oil, and I lost the trade. US oil. Can't quite remember the yeah, this was the trade. It was a crazy loss. On the forward chart, this was the first trade. Just had a break of structure here, a break of structure here. and I was looking for pullback to buy from this FVG, which obviously didn't work, and I took a loss here. So this was the first loss on the account. Then I think my next trade was on gold. I had two profitable trades on gold, which is fantastic. Um, yeah, those trades, yes. I need to go to lower time frame to see them clear because they played out very, very fast. Like this was the first trade on gold. Almost took me out here. If I can zoom in, you see how close it was to my stop loss. Look, this was how close it was to my stop loss. About how many pips? About how, it's just so crazy, just so little. Look at it. Look at the movement. Just crazy, sha. So this was my gold trade. First one, I got about 2 hours or something. I closed earlier than this, but this was the complete target. And this one itself, I also closed at around 2 hours because this was the time they released the statement about President Trump wanting to fire the the Fed chairman, that's Jerome Powell. But I was lucky to be on this trade after this liquidity sweep here. I just entered and boom, in 15 minutes, I was on TP. This was the fastest trade of my life. And the next trade I caught was AUD CHF. This trade is another crazy trade. So this was how the trade went. Um, we had this push to the upside. We had this pullback. During this pullback, into this fair value gap. After we filled this fair value gap, I was looking for more entry confirmation, so I went to like 15-minute time frame, and and I saw this push. Then just some slight pullback. I entered a bit early because of FOMO though, but price came back and kept playing around this place. When price created this triple bottom, I was certain that price may come to sweep this liquidity, but fortunately for me, price went up and I exited here. And as you can see, price melted down after that. I exited because of the way price was looking and the analysis I did on NZUSD. So this is my last trade before the market closed. I entered a trade on NZUSD, which is playing out nicely at the moment. As you can see, we had this push, then retracement, fill this fair value gap, and now I entered here and we are up about 0.5% on this trade. We're going for about 3%. So um, these are the trades. This is the US oil. I lost about $90, and I'm watching my risks carefully. I'm trying to risk just 1% on each trade. I'm not here to choose the particular setup. I'll be risking more. All those things are things that I did and things I observed from my other accounts. I didn't really have a system on how to like manage a trade like a business or something like that. Or just trading like I knew that I know how to trade because I'm seeing a good reflection on my personal account. But when it comes to this prop firm and their rules, you need to try to bend your trading style to match their rules, and sometimes they don't still work out. Like how I wasn't able to pass my former account due to the consistency rule, which I'm not aware of, but I think I will learn how to like um learn how to like um maneuver this consistency rule type of stuff. But um this is my first loss, and this second trade, this was on gold. I got 214. Second one, I got 180. So these two trades are about 4%, and this is the most. This is about 4% plus this is about 3% in total. Then this $100 trade, making it 4% on the account, and I'm still running in about $50 profit on the NZUSD, which I'm going to be holding through the weekend. And so now my balance is 10,450 15 with my equity at 466. Some other key things you can see, like statistics: average win is 173, average loss is 33. Although this is going to be incorrect because of those minor losses I took. That's why it looks more impressive. My profit factor is 5.28%, and all these important things and all that. But so this is the account. So let's see how it's going to go. This is my first week of trading. I'm active on my Telegram. Let me even quickly pull up the Telegram so that I'm active on my Telegram, and you can pretty much see every trade I'm taking. Me and my partner, Young Mitch, both of us are like running the Telegram. And shout out to Young Mitch, he's a senior man in trading too. So we're running Telegram, we drop our analysis, and you can use that as your conferences or bias for the week, because we drop educational analysis, and even our trades, just like this NZD. I posted it early this morning, and I hope there are many people took advantage of the trade because it's playing out nicely. So guys, that's it for this video, and I want to make a promise to you guys that I promise you guys a video every weekend. So I promise you guys one video every week. That's how consistent I want to be when it comes to this channel. So guys, if you are really interested in this kind of stuff, you can actually subscribe. It's going to help a lot. And also you can join the Telegram to stay in touch with all of us and build a community. The name of the Telegram channel is called Toni Community, and I think we have been doing a fantastic job throughout this year. So guys, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video, and hopefully by then we'll be passing this account or we'll be doing nicely. We'll be more profit. I don't know how next week is going to be, but let's wait to see how next week is going to be. And I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Peace out.